Hi, I'm Adriana, and in this video I'm going to show you how to link queries that contain live employee data into an external spreadsheet. You can use Hotsheets whenever you want to give someone access to specific data without elevating their access rights. Before going into details, I need to mention that Excel's Hotsheets are not compatible with Mac OS. For these devices, you will need to create a Google Hotsheet. Make sure that any tool or software that you use is up to date with the most recent version. It would be recommended that any time you want to create a new Hotsheet, you download it from the Hotsheets article. Also, note that you will need the API license to use Hotsheets. All the data in this video is fabricated. We are not using our customers' data in our videos under any circumstance. First, we need to create some queries on the data we want to appear the Hotsheets. I have created one on expense information. To see the query I've created, I click on HR Admin, then Queries, and scroll down to my expense query. Now, to link the query to the Hotsheet file, you need an API key. To create an API key, go to Settings, then click API. Click the plus icon, then enter the API name. Now, select the relevant endpoints. For example, if you select the employee endpoint in the employee category, when your admins create a new employee, you don't need to give them access to all other employee information. In my case, I will select Query Builder, since the information I want to see in a Hotsheet comes from the query I have created. I scroll down to the query I've created and select it, then click Save. And save once again. Now, click the copy icon to copy the key. If you select the actual key using your mouse, when you will want to paste the text, it won't work properly. That's why it's important to use the copy icon. Download the Excel spreadsheet from this article, and if you see a yellow banner at the top, when opening the Excel file, click Enable Content. If you click Settings and nothing pops up, then you will need to speak to your IT to unblock the security restrictions on your file. On the Excel file, on the PeopleHR Queries tab, click Settings. Now, just paste the API key you just copied and enter your query name that matches the exact query name on PeopleHR. Note that this field is case sensitive. Here you can enter up to 7 queries. If you wish for the end user to have up-to-date data every time they open this file, you can also click on Auto Refresh Data. Click Save, and now click on Run All Queries. If you had multiple queries, you would have had separate tabs along the bottom with the data from each query added. When you share this spreadsheet with another person, your API key is encrypted. Thanks for watching, and don't forget that if you need any help, our digital assistant is here for you 24/7.